Don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlands Chugs. What's good, folks? How's everybody doing? Welcome to another day. Welcome to another episode of Badlands Chugs. And today, folks, it is Water Chug Wednesdays. Oh my gosh. If you don't know what Water Chug Wednesday is, every Wednesday I drink your favorite water beverage, okay? Whether it's sparkling or distilled, or I drink something else that's healthy, okay? And today, folks, we are chugging some bubbly, all right? Bubbly sparkling water, okay? This is Blackberry Bubly, okay? It has no calories, no sweeteners, and it's all smiles. Just like your boy. All right? Well, I got 8 of them on deck, okay? And they all pre-open, and I'm gonna see how many I can drink in 1 minute. Just 1 minute of playtime, 1 minute of chug time, all right? So we're gonna set it off with this one that's closed, and I'm dedicating this chug to my nephew, DJ, all right? Hey, DJ, this is for you, all right? Your favorite drink is Blackberry Bubly, so we're doing this today, okay? So enough talk. Let's get it on, folks. I'm gonna drink all 8 because I don't have a timer that I can see. So, whatever it is, stop the talking, get to the chugging, all right? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Two more left. Oh. The last one, folks. I know I'm over a minute, so who cares about the time? Whew. Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. Man, I love this water. Bubbly, blackberry flavor. Good pick, DJ. You are the man. Woo-wee. It is delicious. It is clean. It's burpy. Oh man. The Jurassic Park movie's coming out early, folks. Ooh, this was good. Nice hydration in it. I love it, all right? So that was for you, DJ, and that was for everyone, okay? So, yes, Water Chug Wednesdays, folks. Bubbly is checked off the list, okay? I see that you commented and left some awesome ideas, so I will be chopping down that list real soon, okay? So expect another Water Chug next Wednesday, and yo, we are out. Peace and love to all of y'all. I love y'all so much. And may God bless you in everything that you do and your whole families too, okay? So Badlands Chugs, for Badlands Chugs, we are out. Peace. Oh, chugging the world one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.